Hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, click the notification button. If you are not new, thank you for coming back. So today is going to be a short video to show you how to save money at the beginning of the year. But if you see this video and it's not the beginning of the year, you are still on time. You are good to go. You can do it. So guys, every year we try to save money, like coins, $1, $5. It doesn't matter how much it is. What matters is your purpose to save and then use it or see how much you have saved at the end of the year. We did this in 2019. We did it for 6 months and we saved $700. So if I can do it, you can do it. So all we will need here is a piggy bank. If you don't have a piggy bank, you can have any container of your choice. I have this container here because I don't want to buy a piggy bank, so I'll just make use of what I have at home. We will need a big container like this. We will need a tape, scotch. We will need scissors or a knife, and the last thing we will need a marker. Oh, without forgetting the money. Okay, guys. So we're going to take this container and we're going to tape it just up here so we are not tempted to take money. Okay, as we are sealing, we seal it until we have to open this container. So let's do it. It's crazy, right? When it comes to money, we do spend a lot without knowing how much we could save for that. I'm not saying you should starve yourself, but it is always wise to save something. Boop. I'm going to put this here around. It's difficult to save. It's difficult, but when you know what you're doing, really easy. Okay, we're almost there. Seal it. Seal it. Like this is your life. You don't want anyone to steal it. This is how you should seal this. Okay. All right. Now we're going to use the scissors. Cut it. Oops. And then this. I mean, if you have a piggy bank, you can use it. If you can afford for a piggy bank, you can do it. Anything of your choice. But I always use this. And make sure you don't use a transparent container because that's temptation right there. Temptation. Because you'll be counting, oh, I already have $5, I already have this, I already have that. No, we just want to put the money and forget about it until we have to open it. Okay, so this is ready. This is ready. And now, look. It's ready, right? Okay. So with the marker, we're going to write the month that we started. This is January 1st. So we're not going to write January 1st. But if you want to write January 1st, you can do it. All I'm going to do is to write January to remember when we started. So I'm going to write it here. January 2022. We are going to open this in December 2022. Today is January 1st. So if you want to write the day, you can do it. We're just going to write it, okay? So that on December 1st is going to be a year completely. You can go for more than a year or two, but I love money. I love it. I can't even go above 1 year. So January 1st. Okay, January 1st. Just printing the month. Okay. So we have here January 1st, 2022. Good. And now with your scissors or a knife, we're going to make a little hole right here. We can do here or here. So we're going to open it. It's a small hole. And voila. Look, this is the hole right here. And that's it. So our first money, this January 2022, $5. $5. Going, going, and going. You can put it this way. You can fold it as you want. Do as you want. Let me see. Should we fold it? We're going to fold it. This hole is too small. Ah, madam. Let me open it. Okay. So this is better now. It's better. So $5 gone. Money! Okay, guys. So I'm encouraging you. I'm challenging you. If you are in, please go to the comment section and write I'm in so that I can note it. So that in December, I'll be looking for everybody that says is doing this challenge. So guys, I'm encouraging everybody, as I was saying, I'm encouraging everybody watching this video. Please, let's do this. It doesn't matter if you see this in November and then it's December is the next month. Okay, you can do it in November and then open it November the next year. So let's start, okay? If you are in, please write in the comment section. I already have this one. This is for my coins. Started it January as well. Here, January. This is for coins. I don't like to mix coins and the money paper because the coins will be slipping on my paper, you know. So I already have 2 containers here, one for coins and one for paper. So please, guys, if you are in, don't forget in the comment section, let's do this, let's save, let's make our money and be rich. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.